Good morning, Aditya sir.
Morning, ma'am.
So we have given you the sharing rights. So if you can
Yes,
kindly check once.
Yeah. Give me a moment.
Yes, so the screen is visible, and we have around 70 participants joined. So
We can
shall
wait
we
for a few
start?
minutes.
Or?
Let's wait a
Okay,
couple of minutes and then I can start. Yeah.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, I guess count is increasing. I'll start in the meantime and give you a brief about today's session and with respect to yesterday's doubts as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am,
So
good
good
to go?
morning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So good morning, all participants. Aditya sir, Puneet sir, and all the coordinators joined today. So we welcome you all on the 7th day of this program. And I welcome Dr. Aditya Dalakoti sir to kindly start with the session. Over to you, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. So good morning, everyone. And Today we are going to continue our exploration in the OpenLane tool environment. The target is floor planning and going into placement primarily, but also there were a lot of doubts regarding some synthesis issues in the tool environment. We are going to use in the meantime that you sort that out, we are also going to use another RISC-V core to continue with our exploration process so that people do not lag behind. So what I'm going to do in the first half an hour or so is give a brief refresher of whatever we have done till now in the tool environment. And using that refresher, we are going to in that refresher, we are going to use a new core. It's Pico RV32. It is already in your design library. I'll show that. And then I'll proceed some parts of the next few sessions using that core that will help you follow along with the lecture better as well. So we'll proceed that way. So with respect to the core, let's see. What we want to do is I would advise you to go to the directory where you put your OpenLane. In the directory where you put your OpenLane, go inside OpenLane. Okay. Inside OpenLane, there is a folder called Designs where you put your serve directory. Right. This is where you put the serve directory. Don't go inside the serve directory. We are going to use a Pico RV32 RISC-V core. So this core, go inside this Pico RV32A RISC core and do an ls. And if you do ls, you should be able to see a config.tcl in there and src already present. So I can do a more on config.tcl, and this is already set up for this core. So again, repeating, where do I want you guys to go? I want to go inside where you put your OpenLane directory, designs, Pico RV32A, and confirm at your end that you have the source directory and a config.tcl present over there. I will wait a couple of minutes for people to catch along, and because what we'll do is we'll try to use this core in some of the subsequent sessions. In the meantime, I would also advise people to again go into the environment where they run the OpenLane and do the usual export PDK root, right? That's what we do. And what is that? That's home for me, technology, wherever I put my PDKs. Then